Good morning to all. Today we saying about the difference of the sets. So here difference of the sets means in the given two sets we have to neglect the common elements, and in the first set what are the elements remain, that will be taken as a set, that is called difference of the sets. So the difference of the two sets is the set of elements which belongs to the first set but not belongs to the second set. So in that first set which elements are belongs to the first set, that were only we taking, and that a common element does not belong to the second set. If A and B are any two sets, then we denote the difference of the sets A and B by this symbol A minus B. So we read it as A minus B. Now we observing the set builder form of A minus B. So A minus B is equal to x such that x belongs to A and but do not belongs to the set B. So x does not belongs to the set B. It is the set builder form of A minus B. If we want to write the set builder form of B minus A, then the element is belong to the first set. Here what is the first set? The B set is the first set. So x belongs to B and the second set to do not belongs to the element. So x does not belongs to A. So this one, if A only first we will write, then we can write x does not belongs to A and x belongs to B. It is the set builder form of B minus A. The set builder form of B minus A set is x such that x does not belongs to A and x belongs to B. Now if we see the Venn diagram of A minus B, here we said it is belongs to only the first set, not belongs to the second set. So here the common elements also we not taking. So it is by shading we show it as so it is the Venn diagram of A minus B. Now we observing the Venn diagram of B minus A. Now here already we said in the first set only belongs to the elements, second set to not. Here the first set is B. So in that B set only the elements are present and the common elements will be neglected, already we said. So we shading except the common elements space in the B set. So it is the Venn diagram of B minus A. Now if we observing these two Venn diagrams, we have a clarity, that is A minus B, B minus A, both answers are not equal. From this observation we have a clarity that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So now this will be right. Now this one we prove by using some problems. Now here we observed a problem. The set A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and the set B equal to 4 5 6 7. Then find A minus B and B minus A. Are they equal? So now we taking the set A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and the second set B equal to with the elements 4 5 6 7. Now A minus B equal to 1 2 3 4 5 minus the set with 4 5 6 7 elements. So difference of the sets means what we said, the common elements we will neglect, and in the first set what are the remaining elements that will be taking. Now here we observed here what are the common elements in the two sets. 4 and 5 are the common elements. If we neglect that one, in the first set the remaining elements are 1 2 3. The remaining elements are 1 2 3. So it is the answer for the set A minus B. Now if we observed in the second problem B minus A, so here B we set we want to write first 4 5 6 7 minus the set with the first set elements 1 2 3 4 5, and here the common elements are 4 5. That will be neglecting. In the second set the remaining elements are what? The remaining elements are 6 7. So the B minus A is the set with 6 7 elements. Now observing the two answers A minus B and B minus A, both answers are not equal. So we can conclude that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. That is only here we already said. Okay, now we see the another problem. Now here we observed a problem. If the set A equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is less than 10, and the set B is x such that x is a prime number and x less than 10. Now show that A minus B is not equal to B minus A with the help of Venn diagram. So now the given question is in set builder form. So first we want to write the given question to the set elements in roster form. Then only we will show A minus B and B minus A, and they are not equal. So now first writing the set builder form to roster form. X says that x belongs to n and x is less than 10. So the x element is a natural number and it is less than 10. So less than 10 natural numbers writing. So they are starting from 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the set B is x is a prime number and less than 10. Prime number means it has only two factors, 1 and itself. Already we know that one. So here we writing the prime numbers below 10 are 2 3 5 7. Now finding A minus B. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus 2 3 5 7. So here difference of the sets means already we said the common elements will be neglecting, and the first set contained what are the elements that will be only taking. So here 2 is the common element, 3 is the common element, 5 is the common element, 7 is the common element. That one neglecting the remaining elements are 1 4 6 9. So it is the answer of the set A minus B. Now if we finding B minus A, so the set B is with the elements 2 3 5 7 minus the first set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now here the common elements 2, 3, 5 and 7. Neglecting in the first set, what are the elements that will be only taking set. Now here what are the remaining elements in the first set? Any element is not remain. So b minus a is equal to 5. Empty set is nothing but 5 to we did not set. Now we observing the Venn diagrams of a minus b and b minus a. Now so after neglecting the remaining elements only in the first set are 1, 4, 6, 9. So that will be writing 1, 4, 6, 9. So it is the answer for a minus b. Now for the answer b minus a Venn diagram, so here any element is not remain, so that is the empty set. But here looking it will be not showing, that purpose by shading the diagrams we showing. So here it is the space for b minus a. So now in this set the any element is not remain. In the common space, what are the elements are presented? That are 2, 3, 5, 7. So that will be writing 2, 3, 5, 7. In the first set the remaining elements are 1, 4, 6, 9. So that will be writing 1, 4, 6, 9. So it is the empty space there looking, and here any element is not presented in the set b minus a. Now if we observed the another problem, if the set A equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is less than 6, and the set B equal to x such that x belongs to n 3 less than x less than 8, then show A minus B is not equal to B minus A with the help of Venn diagram given. So here this problem also given in the set builder form. So we will write first the given set builder forms to roster form. So the first one is given x such that x belongs to n and x is less than 6. So here x less than 6, n means natural numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. The second set b equal to x such that x belongs to n, natural numbers only, but 3 less than x less than 8. That means the x value lies between 3 and 8. So 3 and 8, the natural numbers are 4, 5, 6, 7. So now a minus b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the common elements in that difference set neglecting, and in the first set the remaining elements are 1, 2, 3. Why? Because here 4 and 5 are the common elements in the both sets, so that will be neglecting. Now b minus a we find it 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here the common elements 4 and 5 neglecting. In the first set the remaining elements are 6, 7. So the b minus a set with the elements 6, 7. Now we observed both answers, we can conclude that a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Now we will show this one by using Venn diagram. So a minus b first we showing. So the common elements neglecting after, in the first set the remaining elements are 1, 2, 3. So it is the Venn diagram of a minus b. and now we showing the Venn diagram of B minus A. Here the common elements neglecting in the both sets, the remaining elements of the first set, that is B set, are 6 7 elements. So it is the answer for the Venn diagram of B minus A. So by observing these two diagrams, we will conclude that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Now here we seen the another problem. If the set A equal to with the elements 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 and with the B set with the elements 4 5 4 8 12 16 20 and C with the elements 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 and D set with the elements 5 10 15 20, then find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A, D minus A, B minus C, B minus D, C minus B and D minus B. Now we finding. So first, what are the given sets that will be writing? The set A equal to 3 6 9 12 15 18 and 21 and the set B equal to 4 8 12 16 20 and the set C equal to 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 and the set D with the elements 5 10 15 20. Now we finding the first question's answer A minus B. So that is 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 minus of the set with B is 4 8 12 16 20 and here we neglecting the common elements, the remaining elements of the first set. Why? Because we finding the difference of the set. So here the common element is only 12. Now the remaining elements in the first set are 3 6 9 15 18 and 21. It is the answer for the set A minus B and next we finding A minus C. The set A is 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 and the C set is 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16. Now here in the both sets the common elements are 6 12. These are the common elements in the both sets. So now the remaining elements in the first set are 3 9 15 18 and 21. Now we observe the third answer A minus D. So the set with the elements A are 3 6 9 12 18 15 and 21 minus of the set D are 5 10 15 20. Now in the both sets the common elements are only the element 15. Now the remaining elements in the first set are 3 6 9 12 18 and 21. Now we seen the fourth problem B minus A. So B minus A equal to 4 8 12 16 20. The set B is and the set A is 3 6 9 12 15 18 and 21. Now here the common elements in the both set are 12 only the element. If neglecting that element, the remaining element in the first set is 4 8 16 20. Now we observed A minus B, B minus A, the both answers are different. So we can conclude A minus B is not equal to B minus A. And the fifth answer is C minus A. The set C is 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 minus the set A is 3 6 9 12 15, 18 and 21. Now in the both sets the common element is 12 and the element 6. Now neglecting that one, in the first set contained elements are 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. It is the answer for the set C minus A. Now we seeing the D minus A. The next problem, D is with the set elements 5, 10, 15, 20. Now the set A with the elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Now in the both sets the common element is 15 only. The neglecting of 15, the remaining elements of the first set, that is the set D, contained with 5, 10, 20 elements. So that is the answer for D minus A set. Now finding B minus C. The set B is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus the set C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now in the both sets the common elements are 4, 8, 12, 16. Now neglecting these were, in the first set C, B set remained element is only 20. So the B minus C is 20. Next one, B minus D. B minus D is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus of 5, 10, 15, 20. So here the common elements in the both sets are the element 20. Now neglecting that one, in the first set remained elements are 4, 8, 12, 16. Now the ninth problem, C minus B. The set C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. The set B is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now the common elements in the both sets are 4, 8, 12, 16. Now the first set the remaining elements are 2, 6, 10, 14. These are the remaining elements. Now we observed B minus C, C minus B, both have not same answers. So we can here also conclude B minus C is not equal to C minus B, and the remaining D minus B, observing the D is the set with the elements 5, 10, 15, 20, and the set B is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now the both sets contain the common elements are the element 20 only. So neglecting that one, we will remain in the first set, that is D set, are 5, 10, 15 the elements. So now the D minus B is with the elements 5, 10, 15. Here given a problem, if the set A minus B equal to with the elements 3, 4, 5, and the set B minus A with the elements 1, 8, 9, and the set A intersection B equal to 6, 7, then find A union B. So what given the information, first we writing the set A minus B equal to with the elements 3, 4, 5, and the set with the elements B minus A are 1, 8, 9, and the set with A intersection B equal to with elements 6, 7. Our to ask to find A union B. Union means it is nothing but all the given elements are written in as a set. So here if we observe any element is not common. So we are writing all the given elements as a single set. That means we want to write a minus b set union b minus a set union a intersection b, that is nothing but a union b. So 3 4 5 union 1 8 9 union 6 7, all the elements are written as a single set 3 4 5 1 8 9 6 7. In that any element is not repeated, so we will write all the elements in order 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it is the answer for A union B. Here given a problem, if the set A equal to 2 4 6 8 10 elements and the set B equal to with the elements 3 6 9 12 15, find A minus B union B minus A and A minus A union B minus A intersection B. Comment on it. So the given the elements of the sets are written. The set A equal to 2 4 6 8 10 and the set B is 3 6 9 12 15 and A union B equal to, union means already we said all the common elements of the given set with writing as a single set. So 2 4 6 8 10 3 6 9 12 15. So here we observed the common element is 6 only, so that will be written single time 2 4 6 8 9 10 12 15 and that is the 3 element we written all are in a order. And if we observe A intersection B equal to 2 4 6 8 10 and intersection 3 6 9 12 15 and here the common element is only 6, so that is 6. Here we finding A union B minus of A intersection B. So here A union B is 2 3 4 6 8 9 10 12 15 minus of A intersection B is with the element 6. Now in the both one intersection, minus means what we said both the elements to common elements, neglecting and the first set what are the remaining elements, that one we want to write set. So here the common element in the both sets is 6, so that one remaining the first set remained elements are 2 3 4 8 9 10 12 15. It is the answer for A union B minus of A intersection B. Now we finding the second one, A union B minus A intersection B, that were we find it already. So now we finding A minus B. So A minus B is equal to 2 4 6 8 10 minus of the set B is 3 6 9 12 15. So minus means the common elements neglecting and the first set what are the remaining one, that one writing set. So here the common element in the both sets is 6. So now in the first set remained elements are 2 4 8 10. It is the set A minus B. Now we finding the set B minus A. So 3 6 9 12 15 minus of 2 4 6 8 10. Now in the both sets the common element is 6 only. So now that one neglecting in the first set remained elements are 3 9 12 15. So now we finding A minus B union of B minus A. So that is 2 4 8 10 union of 3, 9, 12, 15. Union means already we know the total elements in the both sets writing, that is 2, 4, 8, 10, 3, 9, 12, 15. So here any element is not repeated, so we are writing all the elements in a order 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. It is the answer for A minus B union B minus A. Now in the both answers we observed, both have 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15 elements only. So we can conclude that A minus A union B minus A intersection B and A minus B union B minus A are same. So A minus B union of B minus A is equal to A union B minus of A intersection B. Now we seen the another topic in the sets, that is cardinal number of the set. So cardinal number of the set means the given set contained how many elements in that set presented, that is called the cardinal number of the set. So presented elements of the set. So if the set A cardinal number is denoted by number of A, so the cardinal number of the set A is denoted by number of A. Okay, so if for example we seeing a problem, if the set A is the x such that x is a factor of 24, then find number of A. So here the given problem is in set builder form. X is the factor of 24, so we will write the factors of 24, that are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, 6. So factor means already we discussed in our previous class, then the given number come in which tables, that is nothing but the factor. So 24 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Now how many factors are these were? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the cardinal number of the set is number of A equal to 8. Okay, now we see with a relationship by using the cardinal numbers of the sets of number of A, the given set two sets, and the two sets have the union and intersection between. What is the relationship? That one we observing now. So we seeing the sets, the two sets are given. If for example the given set A equal to with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and the set B is with the elements 3, 5, 6, 7. So from this we will conclude number of A equal to, now how many elements the first set contained? 4. The second set contained, it was the number of B equal to, it is also 4. Now we finding A union B, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4 union 3, 5, 6, 7. Union means already we said the total elements we will write it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the common element repeated one taking single only we said. So A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here number of A union B equal to, they are 7. Now A intersection B we finding 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection 3, 5, 6, 7. So here the common element intersection means we already said. So here the common element is only 3. So the number of A intersection B equal to 1. Now if we observe the number of A, number of B sum is 8. Now number of A union B, number of A intersection B also their sum is 8. So here we conclude that number of A plus number of B is equal to number of A union B plus number of A intersection B. This is one we can conclude. Now here given a problem, using the Venn diagram verify number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A union A intersection B, and here it is the Venn diagram. So here A set B set given. Now here mu set, the mu set means universal set. The universal set contained all the elements of the set. So that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and with the element 12, and the given the first set R. So already we said in that Venn diagram it is the common space for the both sets. So the first set A contained elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the set B contained elements 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. And here we know not with finding, already here by observing that Venn diagram A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and A intersection B equal to 2, 3. Now cardinal number, that is nothing but number of. So already we know how many elements presented in the given set. So here number of A equal to, in the first set contained elements are 5. Number of B equal to, in the second set contained elements these were also 5. Number of A union B, in the union set how many elements are presented, that are 8. Now in the set number of A intersection B presented elements are 2. So here our to asked number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. That will be possible or not, now we checking. Number of A union B equal to 8, number of A equal to 5, number of B equal to 5 minus number of A intersection B is 2. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 minus 2 equal to 8. So we can conclude that number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. For example, we seeing a set A equal to 1, 2, 3, and the set B is with the elements 4, 5, 6. Now here cardinal number already we discussed, that is how many elements present in the set. So in the first set how many elements are present, number of A equal to 3. In the second set how many elements are present, that is number of B equal to, here also 3 elements present. If we find A union B 1, 2, 3, union, the set with the elements 4, 5, 6. Union means already we discussed the total elements present in the set that will be taking as a single set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now here number of A union B equal to total 6 elements are presented. If we find A intersection B 1, 2, 3 set intersection the set with the elements 4, 5, 6. Now here we observed here any common element is not presented. In intersection we taking the common element, so no element is presented, so that is empty set, nothing but 5. So number of A intersection B equal to, there is no element presented, that purpose 0. So here already we said number of A plus number of B equal to number of A union B plus number of A intersection B, that equal to, so here 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 0, so 6 equal to 6. Now here we observed the given two sets, there is no common element in these two sets, so these sets are called as disjoint sets. So if any two disjoint sets, number of A intersection B equal to 0, and then number of A plus number of B equal to number of A union B. So if A and B are two disjoint sets, then number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B, that one already we written, and these properties already we studied. A subset B, then number of A union B equal to number of B. If B is subset to A, then number of A union B equal to number of A. If A is subset to B, then number of A intersection B equal to number of A. If B is subset to A, then number of A intersection B equal to number of B.